Welcome to the Concept Solutions CS2 video training course. This course will show you how to fill out and submit an expense report for local expenses on CSI. The intended audience is all Concept Solutions employees who are required to fill out an expense report. This class is intended for those who have previously viewed New Employee 100, Introduction to CSI. After taking this course, you will be able to understand how and when to fill out an expense report and submit them using CSI. During this course, we will discuss how to log on to CSI and display your expense report. We will also discuss how to enter items, including attachments, and submit your expense reports. This will be followed by a review of possible things that can happen after you submit your expense report and how to review your earlier saved and submitted expense reports. We will conclude with a summary of what was taught in this course. The first thing you need to do is log into your CSI account. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Expense tab in the lower left-hand corner. The Expense Policies and Procedures page is displayed. Take a moment to read the policies and procedures as well as the reimbursement guidelines, as this information will help you in filling out your timesheet accurately. Also on this page, you can use the provided link to find current government per diem rates. Click on the Local Expense Report link in the upper left navigation pane. Now fill out the report name text box. Try and be as descriptive and accurate as possible with your naming selection. For users that plan on submitting an expense report monthly, it is good to include the month and year as the name. If you plan on submitting a weekly report, include the range of dates that the report will encompass. For one-time submits, be as specific with the report name as possible. If there are any relevant documents, such as receipts or bills, you must click the Add File button next to the attachment field. Choose the correct document and click the Open button to attach the file. After choosing an appropriate name and putting any attachments, click the Save button and a section called Expense List should appear below the Report Details section. Clicking Save will also make a Print New Item and Submit button appear. To add an item to your report, click the New Item button and a pop-up window called Expense Item Editor will appear. In this window, you must fill out the date, amount, category, purpose, and whether it is billable or not. Once all the fields have been filled out, you may click Save Expense Item and it should appear as an item in the expense list. It is important to remember that you can still add attachments such as receipts up until you press the Submit button. Once you have added all items relevant to the list you created, you may press Submit to send it out for manager approval. After pressing Submit, your manager might find a problem with your report and reject it. If this happens, there will be an email notification that has a comment as to why it was rejected. You must fix that problem and resubmit it. If there are no problems, then your expense check should be sent out at the end of the week. If you want to view expense reports that you have submitted in the past, click on the My Expense Reports link on the left navigation pane. The My Expense Reports page is displayed with a list of past reports that can be filtered by date range and status. Click on any expense report to view details. Use the filters to narrow your search results. Remember to select the right status, for example, approved, or else nothing will appear. In this training, you have learned how to enter your expense reports, resolve error messages, review past expense reports, and submit your expense reports. Thank you for attending the New Employee 102, filling out and submitting an expense report on CSTube. Please provide feedback for the training by taking the anonymous course evaluation linked here. Please contact Carrie Piper with any questions. For more detailed information, you may refer to the expense report section of the Employee Handbook. We're looking forward to having you on another CSTube video training.